the down if flappy fire next be get grounded. Go and not bear. Why do? I'm not dead. How is this supposed to be? The fire uh, 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 uh. Finally, I wanted to get a fire. A violin. I push button. It push me the button. I can. What a noise! Wow, what a noise! I pushed the violin. Now you put me down the violin. Come on, give me the minute. Put the bun. Put the bun. Come on, give me the bun. I cannot feel power up. 20 minutes later. No, well. Where are we? What? Cado, you've done some big trouble. Yeah. Did you buy fire alarm? No, I didn't buy fire alarm. Oh no, not again. I gotta get out of here. The bell was high, because beep, bop, bop, beep. The bell was high, beep, bop, bop, boop, boop. The bell was high, because... No! Sarah! Oh, pull me down, die. Yeah, I found a gun in. What do I do, April? Whatever. Just get it. I know this fail, but you know how to do it. Let's go home, okay?